What's up, guys? Jason here on the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so today we are installing a Honda Pioneer 520. This is the full poly tip-out windshield. So yeah, that's going on our 2025 Honda Pioneer 520. So if you guys saw one of the last videos, we went ahead and put on the Spikes Power Sports rear polycarbonate rear windshield. Looks so good you can hardly see it. But today we're going to go ahead and put the windshield on. So let's get it open and let's get it rolling. Here we go. All right, guys, this is what you get when you take it out of the box. It's all in one little package here. These are probably all the, just be careful with your knife. This should be all the parts, hardware. And that is the Honda windshield. So let's take a look and see what we got in the parts bag. Heads up. All right, guys, here we go. Looks like we got some clamps, screws. Those are probably sliders for the tip out. And here's another. Some more stuff in plastic. All right, these ones go together. I'm thinking those big screws might go through there. Okay. And here we have some nuts and bolts. And what did Honda give us? No instructions? To download instructions, visit the URL. They did not even put instructions in here. Wow. Okay. We're all trying to save on paper, right? All right, guys, so I had to actually go through, like, select your vehicle, find the product. I really thought the QR code would take you right to this. So you have to do a little bit of clicking just to get here, but underneath here, once you click on the windshield, there's the thing here. Click on for instructions. Oh, wow, there they are. 3 pages. 3 pages. All right, guys, so step 1. So we're taking... As you can see all your instructions. I'm not going to be too technical on this, but they want you to run a bolt. I guess a collar through here. And that collar slides right into that plastic. Nice. And what else we got? We got a washer. A washer and a nut. All right, let's get that all tightened up. That's pretty much what we're adding on right now. Okay, so there we go. We have our little clamps mounted. This is the bottom. This is actually the top of the windshield. So we just gotta pretty much take this side and put it on the top over there. But those are on there. I don't have them torqued everything, down to spec. So just make sure you follow all that in your instruction sheet. I ended up printing this because it was just on the phone. It's too small to see. So yeah, some installation where all those are mounted. So pretty much we're going to add the windshield right onto the A-pillars of the Honda. It's going up and over. I think really it sets kind of like rides. I think it actually is supposed to touch. And these kind of...
Why don't you do yours and then...
Got them too tight. Why doesn't that seem right? Inside now, Putting these little plastic little slidey levers on here. All right. Going through. And it's difficult to see. Charlene's do the best she can here. All right. It's just far enough over there. It's hard to spin your little wrench here. I'm trying to scratch anything. All right, guys, the trickiest part. So we have to go. There we go. Slide this one over. The instructions that they gave me are a little different. There's a little different components on what they sent us. Why am I struggling here? Okay, there's that part. Now what we have to do is get a washer in behind here and try to line it up with our hole. And then we have another washer on this part. This is the part that's different. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you could see anything, Charlene.
That washer's not right here.
I don't know what you can see. What needs to go up or down. Oh, there it goes. That is rough. Now there we go. Okay, that part's a little. It doesn't seem to be going in right. So it's not. There you go. Good job. Okay, so now we just have to put a bolt on the outside here to hold this all together. All right, guys, Charlene's taking the final plastic off. Oh, wow. That looked nice. Full, yeah, wow, there we go. And that's it. Beautiful. Really nice. So we just had to do a lot of adjusting with the bottom pieces here, just to get the little slidey levers to lay right, and we just wanted it to lay, nice and contour, because it's got a rubber seal there on the bottom. But that really looks nice, and it fully tips out. You just got to loosen it up. Tips out, tips back in. You just loosen these. So you just loosen the little things, and then she'll tip up. So in the summertime, you need a little bit of airflow. There you go. And this goes right back to where it was. It's right on top of the roof, and you tighten it down. All right, guys, so that's it. So thanks for tuning in. And this was the install of the Honda OEM polycarbonate windshield with the tip out. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.